and do share the feedback with me. और आप पास पेपर क्वेश्चंस पर पास पेपर बुकलेट पर कीजिएगा. I'll be collecting those booklets. अच्छा जी, एक चीज हम और कवर कर लेते हैं इसमें. Last thing, if we have two springs or more than that, what happens then? So for example, यहाँ पर आपको मैं शेयर करूँ अगर this diagram, yes, this is showing two situations. In the left, on the left you can see one mass is attached to one spring, which is then further suspended from a ceiling or some suspension point. And here we have attached two springs. So when we have attached two springs and mass is same, so it means basically we have considered a longer wire. तो मुझे जरा बताएं कि अगर मेरे पास दो केस हो. इन फर्स्ट केस आई हैव अ स्मॉल वायर एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू स्ट्रेच इट, and in other case I have a longer wire and I am applying the same force on that wire. जो आपके पास longer wire होगी, will that be showing larger expansion in that wire? ठीक है जी. जितना आप ऑब्जेक्ट को लॉन्ग कर देंगे, जितना लॉन्गर ऑब्जेक्ट आप कंसिडर करेंगे, उतना उसकी एक्सटेंशन भी ज्यादा होगी. So if you have connected two springs in a way that they are connected one after the other and they have provided longer object with same cross sectional area, so that will be showing larger expansion. ठीक है जी. And to be exact, if cross sectional area is same and length has been doubled, so extension will be doubled. If this spring is showing 10 centimeters of expansion, then this spring will be showing an extension of 20 centimeters. So इसको हम के पे भी देख लेते हैं क्या इफेक्ट कर रहा है इसके स्प्रिंग कांस्टेंट पे. आपके पास जो स्प्रिंग आपके पास जो इक्वेशन है, आपके पास हुक्स लॉ. So you can see F is equals to kx. So for a given force, for example, extension is given to, so we will consider some dummy values. For example, with the force of 10 newtons, you are given that extension, so I'll consider it x will be, for example, that is 3 centimeters. So we'll consider some dummy values. So आपके पास k क्या हो जाएगा जी? k will be 10 upon 3. 10 upon 3, that will be equals to 3.33 something newtons per centimeter. So this will be the k for this given data. Now if we have connected two springs, now as I told you, a shorter wire, a longer wire. So longer wire is offering you more extension in that wire. So it means K will not remain same. As we discussed earlier, K is spring constant, force constant, or the stiffness of the spring. So if you have considered a longer wire, its K will change now. So now see, if I again considered this data and I say that force is 10 newtons now and extension now is double, that is 6 centimeters. So now K value will change, and now we can say that value will be 10 upon 6. Okay, so that will be 5 upon 3, and that will be, I guess that will be 1.6 something, 1.65, I guess 1.65 or 6 newtons per centimeter. So that will be the K now. So it means you can see that stiffness of the spring has decreased, or if we exactly, I'll say that once again, if exactly we say that cross-sectional area has remained the same, it has not changed, and you have connected the alike second spring, so only length has been doubled, all the other dimensions are same, so extension will exactly be doubled and K will exactly be halved. Okay, now moving on to the next case. Here you have connected two springs, but those two springs are connected side by side. So length of the spring is same if we have connected two springs. So for comparing with a single spring, you have connected two springs, length of the spring is same. थोड़ा सा डायग्राम को मैंने डिफरेंट डायमेंशन दी हुई है, तो वो आपको ऐसे लग रहा होगा. Okay, length difference. चलिए आप देख लें. आपके पास length in the springs is same, but I've connected two springs, so it means I have doubled the cross sectional area. ठीक है जी. So what will happen? इसको आप ऐसे consider करें that you have two wires of the same length. One is a thinner wire and the other one is a thick wire. So thinner wire will, or we'll say at a given force, thin wire will be expanding more and thick wire will be expanding less. It will be requiring more force for expansion. So if we say that force is same, so we can say that if all the other dimensions are unchanged, only cross-sectional area is changing with a spring, single spring and double springs. So extension will be halved. So I'll consider the dummy data once again. So for example, in this case, you can say so if we say that Hooke's law, for a force of 10 newtons, this spring was offering 6 centimeters. या बल्कि थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगी ना, इसको वापस अपनी वैल्यूज पर लाते हैं. For a single spring, it's offering 3 centimeters. So that is given K. ठीक है जी. And for a force of 10 newtons in this right side, extension will be half. That will be 1.5. And now K will be 10 upon 1.5. So that will be equals to 6.66, I guess, right? 6.66 newtons per centimeter. So your K has doubled now. It means the stiffness of the spring has increased. Okay, ji, let me sum it up for you. If you have connected two springs one after the other and you have doubled the length of the spring and cross section area is same, then extension will be doubled for a given force in both the cases. So here 10 Newton force, here 10 Newton force, extension is 3.33, here the extension is 6 centimeters. Second case, if you have connected two springs side by side, not one after the other, so you have doubled the cross section area, length of the spring is same, so it means extension will be halved and K value will be doubled. Stiffness of the spring will be doubled. So I hope you now you can solve your past paper questions. Worksheet इसकी physics matters की workbook में इसकी worksheet नहीं है. तो but there are a number of past paper questions. यहाँ पर मैंने theory के questions share किए हुए हैं. There were some more questions, but I thought these number of questions will be enough for you. And second, इसमें कुछ